Good day, friends, to another episode of Wesley's Food Den. Today, I'll be making lamb meatballs. And for this, you will need 500 grams of lamb mince. Now, I am using mince that still has some fat left in it because I will not be deep frying this, but roasting it in the oven. You will need half a bowl of spring onions or green onions, 2 minced garlic, 2 green chillies, 1 small onion finely chopped, 2 wheatabix that I have crumbed. You could use normal bread if you would prefer. Salt to taste, half a teaspoon of turmeric, 1 teaspoon of smoked paprika, and a teaspoon of oregano, a teaspoon of parsley, a 1/4 teaspoon of celery salt, and black pepper. Now I will mix this together and I will be adding in 1 egg. Now you need to mix this well. Now my mince has been mixed and I will be making lemon-sized balls with them. And I have used parchment paper on my oven tray, and I will make balls and I will put this in the oven for at least 20 minutes on 200 degrees. Now whilst my meatballs are in the oven, I will be making my tomato gravy to go with this, and I have heated 2 tablespoons of oil. And to this, I'll be adding in just about a half teaspoon of cumin. And whilst that is frying, I will be adding in 2 small chopped onions. And you need to let this to fry until golden brown. Now my onions are beginning to turn brown, and I will be lowering my heat because I'll be adding in my spices. But before I do that, I'll be adding in a teaspoon of ginger and garlic, just 2 green chilies, a few curry leaves, and now for my spices, a teaspoon of coriander and cumin, 2 teaspoons of red Kashmiri chili powder, and a teaspoon of red curry powder. And I will give this a good mix. And to this, I will be adding 1 tin of chopped tomato. adding some salt to taste, some black pepper, I'm going to give this a good mix, and then I'm going to let this to simmer for at least 10 minutes, and by then my meatballs will be ready to be added. Now my meatballs are ready, and I will be adding the meatballs to my tomato chutney, and I will be leaving it to simmer for another 5 to 7 minutes before I serve it. Now my meatballs are ready, and I have garnished it with spring onions and a little bit of parsley, and there you have it, meatballs in tomato chutney. You can serve this with spaghetti or any other pasta that you would prefer, or even have it with roti. Please like, share, comment and subscribe to my videos for more recipes. Thank you.